YouTube. So I think I have some good news. I think I finally figured out how to record from my phone. So for that being said, I wanted to do what's in my fridge tag. So I did this video before, and for some reason it went into Misaki Covington's channel. I don't even have that channel, and for some reason it's on my phone's channel, so I don't know. But anyways, I wanted to get to this tag because I don't like long intros, so here we go. So here's my fridge, and there's just a bunch of papers and stuff like that. And so let's go into my fridge and we can start. There's a door and there's all this food. And this is just, guess we'll start from the door. And right here has a bunch of like buffalo garlic when we have pizza, whatever, and caramel dip for our apples. And whoa, that was nice. So we have a bunch of butter in there. Whoa! I'm a clut today. So, that's butter, okay? And then we have garlic. What's that? Tartar sauce. Mustard. This is a jam from Hawaii. It's the passion fruit butter. It's really yummy. Golden pepperoncini. It might be bad. Mustard. That's apple butter. It might be bad too. Lime juice. Down here is sandwich shop mayo, ketchup, Worcestershire sauce, dressing. What is that? Croissants, more dressing. These all are dressing right here. Sorry, can't see. Hot sauce for my fiance, another dressing, Tabasco sauce, balsamic vinegar, teriyaki sauce, coconut syrup from Hawaii, mayo, and soy sauce. Okay, so here we have milk. We have, I think that's chocolate syrup, yogurt that I ate this morning. I had to finish. And this is a sippy cup. I take care of my friend's baby. And butter. And this sliced ginger for my sushi. Lemon juice. This is Kool-Aid. Spray on butter. Seasoned rice vinegar. This is cold noodle soup base. That is buttermilk. More soy sauce. What's down here? That is mirin, barbecue sauce right there, and let me just go back here. This is, that's salsa verde from Trader Joe's, and more soup base. Down here we have cheese, salsa, we have ginger, cheese back there, another cheese back there. We have like this plum thing that I like to have with my rice, and miso, and cookie dough, butter, cream cheese, lunch meat, that's leftover meatloaf. It's still, I guess, okay. Cheese, flour tortillas, because we're going to have tacos soon. Hash browns. There's tomatoes I had last night with my salad. And cheese, another cheese. We're a big cheese fan. Sour cream, pizza sauce. This is guava jam we got in Hawaii. Sour cream, whipped cream cheese, eggs. And so that's the fridge, and we can go to the freezer. Now the freezer's a little bit messy, so just be warned. We have beans for my rice, Japanese, and it's called natto, and Banquet chicken pot pie. They're really good. Frozen salmon and hamburger meat and chicken and salmon, and it's messy down there, so, and teriyaki sauce, frozen. This is steel cut oatmeal, French onion soup, corn on the cob, and wow, this is messy. So there's chicken nuggets. Let's see. That's chicken nuggets. That's mochi. Sorry, my freezer's a mess. Like I said, that's it's sashimi for my sushi. There's vegetables and tater tots and lobster we're gonna have soon. And this is shumai. And let's see, more sashimi, tuna, more deli meat, burritos. That's, oh man, what the heck was that? That's frozen veggies, sorry. Bananas, frozen bananas. And there's lunch meat right there. And pureed like broccoli and stuff like that. Frozen chicken. This is teriyaki chicken. It's really good. It's from Trader Joe's. Frozen bread. Mandarin chicken orange, again from Trader Joe's. There's like fried rice and butternut squash, frozen butternut squash, and twice baked potato. And there's let's see, there's waffles and pizzas, and there's TV dinner down there, and then this is the spinach and mozzarella ravioli and garlic naan. So that's about it. I mean, there's ice cubes, and then this is for to put in my water bottle to keep my water cold. And let me turn this around.